Hi guys, Zanzebek here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own custom GIFs for free on your iPhone and upload them to your Instagram story.
Guess who's back?
So first thing you need to do is to download and open the Autodesk SketchBook app. It's completely free for all iPhone and iPad users as far as I know, and no need to say it's very powerful and flexible in terms of what kind of projects you can create with it, given it's an iPhone you're working from. When you're inside the app, you need to create a new project. The app will suggest you a default canvas size, and you're good with what it offers for now unless you have a precise GIF idea that requires a custom canvas size. So when you start a new project, you can check out the brush tool at the top of the screen. Just choose any brush style you seem to like, set a color for it on the color picker tool, which is located right next to the brush tool. When you're done with setting up your brush, you need to remove the background layer because we're creating a transparent GIF here, just like built-in GIFs inside the Instagram Story Stickers tab. To remove the background, you need to tap on the Layers tool, which again is located next to the Color Picker tool. When the Layers bar shows up, you see all your layers here, and just tap on that little eye icon on the background layer. Now make sure you selected your other layer that you will be drawing on by tapping on it, and then tap on a free space to go back to drawing. Now I'm going to draw the word subscribe because I'm recreating the GIF that you saw in the beginning of the video. Once you're done with drawing your first layer, remember that this will probably be your first frame of your GIF file. Now when you're finished with the first layer, you need to tap on the Layers tool again and create a new layer by tapping on a plus icon on the top of the layer bar. Now let's go back to our canvas and draw the same thing again, but on top of the previous frame, if that makes sense. Make sure you don't copy your previous frame precisely, simply because we're going for a little jitter effect with our GIF, so our frames need to be slightly different from each other. Now when you're done with this layer, repeat the step on a new layer, tap on Layers, create a new layer. As a slight hint, you may want to make the first frame invisible for now, just to make things simpler. Now I'm happy with having these 3 frames, and I'm ready to export each layer separately. To do that, you make all layers invisible for now, except for one that you want to export. Now tap on the top left icon, and on the pop-up menu, press the Share button. Then simply tap Save Image and repeat the process for the rest of the frames. Now all your frames should be saved to your camera roll. Check if you're not sure and export missing frames back from Autodesk SketchBook app. The next step is to actually stitch your images into a GIF. There are many websites that allow you to do that, but I personally like easygif.com, and I use it in all my projects that require using GIFs. When the website finishes loading, tap on the GIF Maker section to create your custom GIF. In the new screen, you'll be offered to upload the frames from your iPhone. Just tap on the Choose Files button and select the frames that you've just created. After that, just press Upload and make a GIF button on the bottom of this section. Then Page will automatically create your GIF right on the same page. Just scroll down a little if you don't see it right away. All you need to do now is to press on Save button. It's located below the GIF, the one on the bottom right. If you're using iOS 13 or newer, the pop-up screen will ask your permission to download after you press Save. So we kind of want to let it. Now your GIF is saved in the Safari's downloads folder. If you don't know where it is, it's on the top right corner of Safari. That little downward pointing arrow next to the website URL. Tap on it and you'll see the GIF file. Tap on it again and make sure to save it to your camera roll. I assume you already know how to do that. Now go to your camera roll or the Photos app, whatever you call it. See if your custom GIF has successfully saved and it is in fact animated. Now, as a last step, let's create an Instagram story and check if it works. I'll just take a random photo, select the brush tool and tap and hold on the screen to fill it with a solid color, white in my case, but you can play around with colors of course. Now time for our favorite trick. Go to Photos, copy your GIF, go back to Instagram and tap on the image pop-up containing your copied file. Set the size and position of your GIF and you're good to go. To summarize this video on creating and uploading custom GIFs to Instagram story, first, you need to draw your frames in the Autodesk SketchBook app. Second, you upload created frames to easygif.com to create a GIF file. And third, copy and paste your custom-made GIF to Instagram story. Simple as that. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something new or refreshed your memory on creating custom GIFs and using it in your Instagram stories. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful videos about creating stuff on iPhone, Instagram tricks, and video editing for mobile. And see you in the next video.